I have the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where one earbud is not working. Now, the first thing you need to do is simply place your earbuds back into the case and then close the case and simply get a charger and start charging your device for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your earbuds, charge them for that amount of time. And then once you charge them for that amount of time, simply take them out. And then when you open them, they should ideally connect. Both of them should ideally connect to your device. Now, if that doesn't happen, the next thing you need to do is simply, with your earbuds, with the case open, simply press and hold on this pairing button for about 10 to 15 seconds to hard reset this particular earbud. So press and hold just like that with the earbud case open. It's going to start flashing white, and then at some point it's going to start flashing red, and it's going to flash red 3 times. So once it flashes red 3 times, simply let go. 1, 2, 3, and then it's going to start flashing white once again. And then now all you need to do is to go into the settings of your phone. So simply go into settings, and then first turn off Bluetooth, and then turn on Bluetooth. And once Bluetooth is on, you should see this connection of your OnePlus Nord Buds. And because this was an old connection, simply tap on the settings icon or the eye icon next to them, and then tap on unpair, and then unpair those particular earbuds. And then now, because they are still in pairing mode, you'll need to repair them again. So start scanning for devices once again, and you should see your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Tap on them, and then tap on pair, and they're now going to be connected to your phone, hopefully having resolved that issue where one earbud was not working. Now, this will work for any other OnePlus earbuds that are experiencing the same issue. That's basically how to fix that. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.